What's going on, guys? Bruce here with Bulls Currency, back at you with another Shiba Inu update, guys. So no camera today, using a different device, but all good. We're still going to do what we always do. And before we get into the good news, the bad news, and all the news, as you can see, it's been very bearish. People are probably wondering why. We're seeing all this burning going on. Why is it still so bearish? Why did it go back to this previous low here again? And we're going to get into why, we're going to get some chart analysis. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get any update we release. You definitely want to be up to date when it comes to these things because they fluctuate so fast, especially in these crazy crypto spaces, but there's definitely profits to be made. But with that being said, guys, don't forget everything we share here is not financial advice. It is just entertainment and education. For education purposes, you do whatever you want, but do your own due diligence, guys. Be careful out there. Don't buy anything just because someone's talking about it. Do your research, look into it, see what's going on. So here we go. One second. So here we go. Shiba Inu. All right, we're red today. Small numbers, nothing to be worried about. But at least look right here in 24-hour volume, 47%, right on the green side. That's good. Now, from a news standpoint, we know there's just a lot of burning going on. So regulated crypto platform uphold to list Shiba. So we got more listings, coming in January. I told you this first quarter is going to be exciting. Airbnb crypto payment plans, right? Odds on Solana, Cardano, XRP, Shiba Inu making the list, right? So we'll see. That's a possibility, right? But we have good news. We have the burning going on. We know that. So let's check out the holders, which is always what I like to look at, just to see what's going on with the community, of course. And the community is getting stronger and stronger. It's very obvious. We made a nice increase again of like 3K or so. We definitely want to get back to that 10K a day increase that we saw when Shiba was really rallying up and had this big bull run. We were like 10K plus a day. It was crazy. It's like it was just piling on. Insane. I think we're going to get back to that really soon this first quarter. We're going to see some exciting stuff. Now it's bearish and people are wondering like, yo, why is this bearish with, with the burning? I mean, this is just to me another great opportunity. As you can see, my system was telling us, gave us multiple confirmations for sells, and that's what kind of happened. We had a small brief confirmation for a buy that went up only a little bit from our day traders, but it eventually just dropped as the sells were more powerful anyway, and the overall trend. So as you can see, this current 4-hour candle is closing as what we call a doji candle, or not really closing, still an hour left, so it could look like anything in an hour, to be honest. So we'll really see how it closes, but as of right now, it's looking like an indecision candle, which is good to be coming off this buy area. That's why you see all this green down here. It's a very strong buy area down here. Last time we were down here, we had a strong buy signal pop up. It really took us to the moon. Yeah, so this is my own little system I built to basically analyze the market the way I do, so that people can just use it on their own 24/7. If you would like to find out more about this system, which is called the Perfect Setup System, also have other systems that are good for like Tesla, stock options, stuff like that, or options in general. Reach out, comment below. We'll get back to you. But on Instagram, it is _Bruce Neal. Okay, you'll see me on Instagram. So right now, the way the candle's respecting this area, this buy area, it's great because this is where we have been bullish before, and I like the candle that we are forming, even if it closes as a little bit of a bear in an hour or less. That's not bad either, because it has as long as it has a very long wick underneath the candle when it closes, that's telling me we're bouncing off this area. We're rejecting this area. Now, if this candle closed with the bear candle being the body of the candle being all the way down here, at the bottom where the wick is, I mean, at the end of the wick, that would mean that it closed very strong. It appears to be probably breaking through. And we don't want that. We don't want that at all, guys. This is about as low as we want to go, and it looks like that's probably as low as we're going to go. Will we consolidate longer periods still, like come back up here, drop back down here, come back up? Maybe. It's a very big possibility. You've seen these cryptos do that plenty of times. But I think this is probably the lowest we'll go, to be honest, based on what I see. So let's take a look at the daily chart as well. So you got a daily chart. It's still a pretty decent size candle, but the wick and the body are about the same length And I like that so far. We have like an hour until the daily candle closes. That's actually a good close for a daily candle. It looks really good if I was day trading this to get in for some positions. And look at these wicks. So as you can see, power, the selling power is really weak, and the buying power is starting to take control. But the buyers and sellers are in a big battle. That's why you see these long wicks going both directions. I think price will hold here based on what I see on these candlesticks, and most likely should start to push up. But I wouldn't be surprised if it maybe wicks down one more time, one more time, maybe at least halfway or something. But I also wouldn't be surprised if it starts bullish right now. We have a fresh hour candle here. So we definitely want to see how this hour candle closes, because at the same time, the 4 hour and the daily candle closes. So that is very important. But definitely enough space day trading wise to catch a good entry somewhere, and catch a good entry somewhere down here and look for a nice profit of up in this range here, or I'll be up here as well for a second target. Yeah, so it looks good. I like the way it looks. She was looking good on the chart, guys. I understand how it could drive some people crazy. Like they're thinking, like, why the hell is this thing still dropping? All this good news, it's listed, it's over here, it's over there. They're using it for payment methods. They're burning, blah, blah, blah. Why is it going? Yes, it could drive people crazy, but it's just a matter of buyers and sellers. And, you never know in these markets. There could be some manipulation. Who really knows, right? But at the end of the day, you cannot deny the inevitable. These are community-based tokens, and the community is growing stronger and stronger by the day. So this is going to inevitably, more than likely, go back to where it previously came from and maybe go beyond, okay? And that's what we want. So I'm still bullish on it. We're still bullish on it over here at the Bullish Currency community. And that's pretty much it for today's Shiba Inu update, guys. Until the next one, stay blessed and stay bullish.